step up here, and I go on drill.
Yo, what's up, crypto family? We're back with another video. Today, guys, Forex went live. Sorry, guys, I just gotta adjust you real quick. Piggy bank went live. Okay. Pigpen went live. Alright. So we got everything going live except the animal farm. Animal farming dog did not go live. That's not for a little while longer. Okay, guys, so let's get into it. But before we do that, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you never miss another upload. So let's go look at drip price real quick. As you guys can see, drip price is 17.63, so we're definitely up a lot. Well, not a lot, but we're up a couple dollars because it went all the way down to 15 bucks, guys. All the way down to 15 bucks. So as you can see, we're back to 17.63, which is good. So I'm gonna show you guys the new animal farm now, the new UI animalfarm.app. As the price right now is $199.15. It was over $200, so it came down a little bit. I did get my credit, so I credited my picks to the Pigpen. Remember, I do have two Pigpens, so we're gonna look at the Pigpen quickly. As you see, I have 24.29, so basically 24 pigs in here. And now in the Pigpen, you earn BUSD and pig. So I got BUSD reward and pigs reward. But you can only withdraw 2% a day of your stake balance. So you can withdraw this whenever. But this, you only can withdraw 2% a day, which is 2% every 24 hours. So right now, there's 291 pigs in the reward vault, $2 million in BUSD reward. You know what I'm saying? 216 total pigs, 216,000 total pigs locked. Sorry, which is equal to $45 million locked in the Pigpen. So let's go to the piggy bank real quick. This isn't my piggy bank account. That's on the SafePal, which is where the other Pigpen is. So I will show you guys that in a second. I just want to show you how many LPs is here. There's 1.2 million LPs locked already, which is a absolute ton. And make sure you get in on this piggy bank now, because you're gonna get that 20% bonus. So I'm gonna hop over here to the SafePal. Don't worry about that. I was trying to connect it earlier, so let's just go on here and connect. Right there, boom. Hold up, guys. Just gotta give it a second to make the connection real quick. Tell you guys when it's done. Well, this phone screen will pop up when it's done. And let's see. Is it gonna pop up? There we go. Alright. So let's go to SafePal. Refresh real quick. And yep, we are good to go. So let us go over here. We're gonna go on here. Boom. Yep, animal farm. Boom. Show you guys this Pigpen right now. Oh, I gotta connect the wallet first. Sorry. Boom. Bang. Sometimes this connect wallet thing can be a little buggy. I'm not gonna lie. As you can see, we got 59.99 pigs. So basically 60 pigs. We got some BUSD and some pigs ready to claim. Again, you can only take out 2% a day of your stake balance. I bought some pigs today. I bought like 27 pigs today, and then plus what I got from from the credit contract. So got me quite a few pigs. So in total, it's like 84 pigs. So boom. Whoop! I didn't mean to grab the mouse off. Whatever. So boom, move out of here. We can go and look at the piggy bank. See, let this load in for a second. Yep, 1.2 million LPs. As you can see, I still have half a pig BUSD LP in my wallet. I have two stakes. But you know, say I got 41,000 piglets on this one, and 106,000 piglets on this one. Truffle amounts, truffle value. So this one has $13 worth of truffle. This one is $3. This one's locked up for 83 days. This one is locked up for 27 days. These are the max payouts. and actions right here. Boom. You know, sell, compound, deposit. I don't have any referrals yet. I'm hoping to get some of those. And remember, guys, first person to sign up under me with a minimum stake of $500 gets a $50 Amazon gift card. Okay, guys? $50 Amazon gift card. Plus, if any time after that, if you put in $1,000 stake, I gift you a $100 stake. If you put in $2,000, I gift you a $200 stake. So on and so forth, up to $10,000, guys. But you have to time lock it minimum 60 days. Okay, minimum 60 days. You have to have it time locked. All right. So looking at the pig again. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment. Boom. Got that. We're gonna go and just like check this out. Like, just appreciate this new UI. This new UI is fire. Absolutely phenomenal. Forex did a great job. If I can move this thing over, please. There we go. As you can see, we have the referral thing where you have to hold the dogs to get referral commissions. Boom. This is just stuff that I'm gonna just read through real quick for you guys, in case you're new to the piggy bank. So about piggy bank, the piggy bank is the first ever non-inflationary variable time staking annuity. Stake pigs BUSD LP tokens to earn up to 3% daily ROI. 3% a day. Okay, guys, 3%. To unlock referral bonuses, you must have dogs staked in a single asset staking pool. See bottom of page. Time lock your harvest to earn a massive bonus on yield. Airdrop stakes to friends and family using the gift stake functions. Most importantly, take control of your financial future on the animal farm. Features. Earn up to 3% ROI a day on your principal. Your principal is increased through a time locking multiplier, creating an extremely powerful opportunity for compound growth. Longer pays better mechanics with non-linear or on increase in principal, buying power for longer time staking, stake airdropping functions, have multiple stakes from the same wallet, allowing users to set up convenient lock. The multiplier for time locking rewards is placed on stake principals, not tacked onto claimable divs at the end of the stake. This makes the bonus rewards for time locking stakes exponentially more powerful as the stakes compound increase the ROI. As the stake compounds the increased ROI generated from the bonus multiplied principal. The bonus is not fully applied to the principal on day one of the time lock stake. It is instead applied to the principal using the above displayed distribution curve, with 30% of the multiplier bonus being added to the principal in the first 75% of the stake's length, and the rest being added exponentially to the principal in the last 25% of the stake lockup. And then you have the referrals, the referral structure based on Drip's highly successful BREEP dependency model with a Fibonacci sequential progression. So 1% rewards, 1% referral rewards, 2 dogs staked, 2%, 3 dogs, 3%, 5 dogs, 4%, 8 dogs, 5%, 13 dogs. So dogs hasn't launched yet, so definitely going to be interesting to see what's going to happen when that does launch and the rest of the animal farm launches soon. So let me go back over here. Anyways, guys, again, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell. But so I really wanted to talk to you today, guys, and peace.